Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to set the home city on your Casio GM-2100. This is going to work for all Casioak models that feature the 5611 module. So what you want to do is to press and hold the adjust button for 3 seconds. You are going to hear a small beep. And the first thing that we can set is our home city. As you can see, I have the abbreviation, so the 3-letter abbreviation from Rome. And then I can use the 2 buttons on the right to go east or west. For example, here I have Paris, Madrid, London, Lisbon, and so on. So I can go even further to Rio and other cities around the world. So you have cities and capitals, and you can go in the opposite direction using the button pusher. As you can see, New York City, and I'm going to arrive once again at Rome, Berlin, Stockholm, Athens, Cairo, Moscow, and so on. So make sure to first set the correct home city, and then you want to set the time and date in order to make sure that you have everything aligned. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to all the cities that the Casioak features so that you can select the correct one for you. After you have finalized the process, make sure to press the adjust button and your home city is going to be saved. I have a full guide on all the functions and features, so how to set everything and how to use the chrono, the alarms, the world time function on this particular model. Link in the description box below, guys. If you enjoyed this video, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to watch even more watch tutorials, watch reviews, watch unboxing videos, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Let me know in the comment section below if you want to know anything else about your Casioak, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and all the best.